Today, I'll show you how to replace your resume on ZipRecruiter step by step. If you've recently updated your CV or want to tailor it for a different type of role, replacing the version saved on your account is a great way to make sure employers are seeing your most current information. We'll go through the full process together, from signing in to confirming that your new file is in place. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to the ZipRecruiter website. In this example, we're using the ZipRecruiter site in the .ie region, but the process is nearly identical if you're on another version of the site. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your existing resume is saved. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your details and sign in before moving on. Once you're on the main ZipRecruiter page and logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually represented by your name, your email handle, or a small profile icon. Click that profile drop-down at the top right. This drop-down is where ZipRecruiter keeps all of your personal settings, application history, and account options, so you'll come back here often if you need to adjust anything related to your profile. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Manage Profile and click it. This is the central hub for everything related to your job seeker profile, including your basic details, your work history, and the resume or CV that employers can view. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of information stored, so just give it a second if the page doesn't appear instantly. On the Profile Management page, scroll until you find the section related to your resume or CV. You should see your current resume listed there along with an option that says Change next to it. This is the control you'll use to replace the existing file. Go ahead and click Change. What this does is open up the file selection process on your computer so you can choose a new document to upload. When the file browser window appears, navigate to the folder where you've saved your updated CV. It's a good idea to use a clear file name like first name, last name, CV, and to save it in a standard format such as PDF or Word, since those are easiest for employers to open. Once you've found the correct document, click on your new CV file to highlight it, and then click Open. This doesn't upload it quite yet, but it tells ZipRecruiter which file you want to use as your new resume. After you've selected your file, you'll be taken back to the profile page, and you should see that your new resume has been attached in place of the old one. To save this change, look for the button that says Update Profile and click it. This step is important. If you navigate away without clicking Update Profile, your new resume might not be saved. Once you've clicked it, ZipRecruiter will store your new CV, and it will now be the version employers see when you apply for jobs. That's all it takes. You've successfully replaced your resume on ZipRecruiter, and your profile is now up to date with your latest CV.